thanks for coming back again to my channel once again, and today we're going to do another unit from Braids Queen Official. Guys, I love Braids Queen, so I'm coming to you with another unit. Is 100% hand braided cornrow style double Dutch lace wig. Now, just like my previous video, the previous video had 2 braids and 1 skinny braid going down the middle. This wig, it only has the 2 double Dutch braids, as you can see, one on this side, one on the other side. As before, I always get my units in the size medium. So if you would like to know more in detail about this unit, everything will be down below in the description box so you guys can see everything that you need to know about this unit. So let's get right into the video. This is the inside of the unit. It has the 2 braids, like I said before, so it's going to have 1, 2, 4 combs, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. And this is the lace in the middle going straight down. This is the front of the unit. As you can see, it's just the 2 braids. Sorry, we watching the Brandy and Monica thing. So here's the 2 braids and the lace that's in the front of the unit, as well as the side. And this unit does come in 7 colors, so 1B30, and this is a 36 inch, so it's very long. As you can see, this is how it looks. So look how long it is, very long. And this is the back of the unit, and it does have the lace in the back. And this is the unit on. As you can see, I do have to cut the lace off. Just trying to pull it a little, make sure it's the middle. But this is the lace, the unit up close. As you can see, it's the 2 braid. So now I'm going to cut the lace. I'm going to do everything off camera so you guys can see, and I'm gonna come back. So guys, here is the unit. It's not heavy at all. It's nice. It's lightweight on my head. I'll turn around a little so you can see the
I begin to
This is all for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video on this unit from Braid Queens Official. And if you guys would like, you can use my code right up here to get that percentage off if you want this unit. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys soon. I will be coming back with some more units from Braids Queens Official. So
it's so special, all I feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure.